You want smooth gaming, but 8GB of VRAM can already cause stutter in some modern AAA games, especially at high settings. So, is it still enough in 2026 or not? Some people say 8GB is still fine, others say it's already dead. So which one is actually true? The truth is, both are right. It depends on what you play and how you play. 8GB of VRAM is still enough if you're playing at 1080p, esports games, or medium settings. You're completely fine. Your GPU isn't trash, relax. But here's the problem. Modern AAA games, high textures, ray tracing, that's where 8GB starts breaking. That's when you start seeing stutter, texture issues, and inconsistent performance. This is why 12GB is becoming the new sweet spot. More headroom, better textures, less stutter. And here's something most people get wrong. More VRAM doesn't always mean more FPS, but it makes your gameplay smoother. And remember, it's not just VRAM, game optimization also matters. If you want high settings, 1440p or even 4K, 16GB is the safer choice. So here's the simple answer. 1080p gamer, 8GB is fine. 1440p gamer, go 12GB. High-end or future-proof, go 16GB. And if your game is already stuttering, now you know why.